All right.
Okay, so starting off today's video with another POV. This time we're gonna do a part 2 to the Ford Lightning. What year is this, Sean?
This is the 2002 SVT F-150.
And if you guys remember this, we did a video on this about a year and a half ago. That video has a whopping 55,000 views on it now, and it's only right we do a part 2 and maybe a part 3. We'll just milk it.
Oh yeah,
we'll milk the content out of this thing.
Yeah.
We have yet to do a video on the Corvette. What did you just pick up the other day? What did you and your dad just pick up?
My dad recently has picked up a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette C706.
And we'll definitely do a video on that because we...
Coming soon. Yeah, coming soon to YouTube near you.
Hey, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get it going.
Let's get this going. Let's get the show on the road. Of course, all the nice beeps.
We just did a little POV video on my car over there, the S2000. Go ahead and look out for that. But today, it's time for the SVT Lightning.
Did the old San Diego Canyon tug run. Let's come to a little stop right here. Turn the overdrive off. All right, ready? Supercharger sing like an instrument of power. Honestly, I have no idea. I think it's because it's like just bare bones. There's nothing helping you.
Oh my god, I need a breath of fresh air. That was really enjoyable.
Yeah, and
oh my god, you can smell everything.
Yeah, we need to let this bad girl cool down now. That was the brakes.
That's gonna be today's video, guys. We'll do a part 3 soon in the daytime, just so you can get a little bit of a better glimpse.
Yeah, when it's nice and sunny and warm and.
But you know what? It's much quieter at night, and I know the supercharger noise is gonna show up even more.
Less traction. I mean, yeah, it's less traffic, but good supercharger weather.
Damn, it smells like a burnt chicken.
Oh, it smells like a burnt chicken nugget. Yeah.